To make this mask, first you will require to take 4 to 5 almond pieces. After that, put them in a mortar pestle and crush them to make a powder. It's okay if you do not make very fine powder. The scrub-like powder will also do. Then take about 1 to 2 teaspoons of crushed almond powder and equal amount of yogurt. Mix both the ingredients together well to make a paste, and after that, with help of a clean cotton ball, apply the paste all over your face. This mask can also be used to reduce dark under eye circles. Almond's moisturizing properties will soften the pesky line and reduce dark circles and puffy eyes. This is one of the best face masks to reduce wrinkles and revitalize your skin. Almonds benefit your skin because of the nutrients they contain that include a range of vitamins, proteins, and minerals. Any almond face pack comes with benefits of reducing signs of aging, brightening, and nourishing. You can also apply this paste to moisturize your hands, nails, and cuticles.
Take 1/2 banana and cut it into small cubes. Put them in a mixer jar. Blend them to make a smooth paste. Then take 1 to 2 teaspoons of smooth banana paste and add 1 teaspoon of honey. Break open 1 green tea bag and add tea powder to the paste. Mix all the ingredients together to make a paste. Apply this paste around your eyes and leave it on for about 10 minutes. After that, wash it off with cold water. Green tea may help to improve the appearance of your eyes by reducing dark circles, puffiness, and redness. Green tea contains antioxidants called flavonoids and tannins that have an anti-inflammatory effect. It can help to tighten the skin and draw out fluid to further alleviate any puffiness. Bananas are full of antioxidants which not only help remove dead skin cells but also leaves your skin feeling new, fresh, and rejuvenated. They are great natural moisturizers for your skin.
If you like this video, then give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Thank you for watching.